Kiss dry air goodbye in your home with Elechomes Cool and Warm Mist Ultrasonic Humidifier. No matter the size of your room, this Elechomes humidifier will provide wall-to-wall humidification in no time. Its large 6-liter tank guarantees coverage for areas up to 750 square feet. It has an easy control panel, on and off button, a timer, a sleep button, heating, humidity, and a max and minimum feature. Choose your mist strength. This Elechomes humidifier offers 3 cycles, low, medium, and high, with the touch of a button. The special feature that I love about this humidifier, it has a aromatherapy box where you can place a couple of drops of your favorite essential oils, and this scent will permeate your room while this humidifier is working. Let this humidifier do the hard work for you. Simply press the humidity button, select the levels you want, and relax. Whether it's a hot summer's day or a cold winter night, the cool and warm mist setting will keep you comfortable all year long. The cool mist provides longer, quieter operation, and the hot mist will moisten the air 30% faster and kill airborne bacteria like dust mites and allergens. This ultrasonic humidifier is so easy to use. Information about this product and this company will be listed in my description box down below. Elechomes is offering an early bird promotion, which will give you 40% off of this amazing product. To receive this code, please subscribe to Elechomes newsletter, which is sold at Amazon. Well guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I love having humidifiers throughout my home to purify my air. If you've enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share. And if you have not done so, I would love for you to become a part of the Diva family by simply pushing that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget, when you subscribe to the channel, to click the notification bell so you will be notified of all the videos that I upload. I can be followed on other social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, as well as Twitter. The links to those social media sites, they will be listed in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day.